Let's talk about the Pascal triangle. If we have 8 plus b to power 0, then because any number to power 0 is 1, we get 1. A plus b to power 1 is just a plus b. A plus b to power 2 is, we can do the calculations and we will get this. And let's still work out the next one. If we have a plus b to power 3, we can express it as a plus b times a plus b to power 2. For the second factor we know what it is. It is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. If we multiply all the things in the second group with a, we would get a to power 3 plus 2a squared times b plus ab squared. On the other hand, if you would take b and multiply all the factors with b, we would get a squared b plus this thing multiplied by b gives a 2ab squared, and this thing multiplied by b gives b to power 3. If we simplify this expression, we would get in total a to power 3 plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b to power 3. We see now that if we put here the numbers 1, we make them visible, and also here, now we see in the last step that we got this 1 from here. This 3 is the sum of 2 and 1. This 3 is sum of these 1 and 2. And this one just came from here. By picking up the coefficients in these expressions, we can draw a triangle. And considering the addition thing what we saw here, we see that, for example, this number 3 is the sum of numbers 1 and 2. If you would want to make the same, continue this triangle in the below, then we would have to take the sum of 1 and 3, that's 4, sum of 3 and 3, that's 6, and sum of 3 and 1, that's 4. Yeah, that's everything. We would get this step here. The point is that after drawing the triangle, we can use it for these powers of a binomial. We should just see about the powers of a and b. In the first, we can see that b to power 0 is there, b to power 0 is 1, and in the last term we have a to power 0, that is also 1. So we can see that the powers of a start from the same number 3, and they get all the time smaller and smaller. On the other hand, the powers of b get larger in every step. Next we are able to write a plus b to power 4 by using the Pascal triangle and the powers. Well, in the first term we will just get the factor 1 and a to power 4 times b to power 0. In the next term we will have the factor 4 in the front from the triangle, and then we will have a times b, and the power of a will be a little bit smaller, 3, and the power of b will be a little bit larger, 1. Next term we get 6 from the triangle and a to power 2 times b to power 2. Then next 4 from the triangle, a to power 1 and b to power 3. And the last term will be 1 times a to power 0, b to power 4. So the Pascal triangle is very useful if we want to simplify these kind of expressions where we have two numbers and they are into some power, these kind of binomials.